Have you noticed that the things you used to do without thinking now seem to take more out of you? Climbing stairs, finishing a round of golf, even just waking up ready to face the day, it doesn't feel quite the same anymore. It's not that you've given up, and it's not that you're lazy. Somewhere along the way, your body just stopped bouncing back like it used to, and you've probably felt it not just in your muscles, but in your mood, your focus, and maybe even in the quiet moments when you think about the man you used to be. For a lot of men over 60, this loss of energy isn't just physical, it's personal. It can leave you feeling frustrated, older than your years, and sometimes disconnected from the life you want to live. The truth is, you're not alone. Many men go through the same changes, and it's not a sign of weakness. It's a signal from your body that it's running low on the fuel it truly needs. Today, we're cutting through the noise. No miracle cures, no empty promises. Just the real science and simple truths about 3 essential vitamins that can help you rebuild your energy, support your performance, and restore your sense of vitality. By the end, you'll know exactly what your body has been missing and how to give it back what it needs to feel strong, clear-headed, and ready for more of life's moments. As the years go by, your body doesn't just get older, it changes in ways you can actually feel. Your metabolism slows down, meaning your body burns fewer calories and processes food less efficiently. That slower burn also affects how quickly you bounce back from activity and how much energy you have stored to use throughout the day. Hormones like testosterone, which play a key role in muscle strength, stamina, and even motivation, gradually decrease. And while those changes are natural, they can leave you feeling like you're running on a half-empty tank. There's another piece to this puzzle: nutrient absorption. Even if you're eating well, your body's ability to absorb certain vitamins and minerals weakens with age. The lining of the stomach produces less acid, which means key nutrients, especially B vitamins and minerals, don't get into your system as easily as they once did. Over time, this can quietly drain your energy without you realizing why. Lifestyle plays a part too. Many men naturally slow down after 60, spending less time in the sun, which lowers vitamin D levels. Digestion can become less efficient, and it's easy to slip into eating habits that favor convenience over nutrient-rich choices. Add in medications that can interfere with vitamin absorption, and the gap between what your body needs and what it gets can grow wider. But here's the important thing: you are not broken, and this isn't the end of the road. What you're feeling is your body's way of asking for better fuel. When you supply it with the right nutrients, in the right amounts, you can restore a surprising amount of strength, energy, and mental clarity. It's not about turning back the clock. It's about giving your body the tools to thrive right now. At the age you are today, vitamin D is often called the sunshine nutrient because your body can produce it naturally when sunlight hits your skin. For most of your life, you probably didn't think about it. Just being outside for a bit every day was enough to keep your levels in a healthy range. But after 60, things change. Your skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight. Add in spending more time indoors, wearing more protective clothing, or living in a place with less year-round sun, and your levels can quietly dip far below where they should be. Low vitamin D might not make you feel sick right away, but it can drain you in ways that are easy to overlook. This nutrient plays a huge role in muscle strength, keeping your bones sturdy, and supporting your immune system, so you recover faster from illness. For men, it also supports healthy testosterone levels, which influence energy, endurance, and even motivation. And let's not forget mood. Low vitamin D is linked to irritability, mental fatigue, and that heavy feeling that can make it harder to enjoy life. I once worked with a man named Richard, 68 years old, who had always been active. But over a couple of years, he noticed his energy slipping. He felt weaker, his balance was off, and his sleep was restless. He assumed it was just part of aging. When we tested his blood, his vitamin D levels were far below optimal. With a simple plan, short daily walks in the morning sun, adding more salmon and fortified milk to his meals, and a modest supplement, he started to notice changes within weeks. His muscles felt steadier, his mood lifted, and for the first time in years, he slept through the night without waking up exhausted. You can raise your vitamin D levels in a few ways. Safe sun exposure, about 15 to 20 minutes on arms and legs a few times a week, can help if your climate allows it. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources, as are fortified dairy products and plant-based milks. For many men over 60, a supplement becomes necessary to reach healthy levels. Most doctors suggest 800 to 2000 IU per day, but it's best to get your blood tested so you know exactly what your body needs. Restoring vitamin D isn't just about lab numbers, it's about what those numbers mean for your life. More strength to carry your groceries, more stability to climb a ladder without hesitation, more energy to join your friends for golf, or take your grandkids to the park. It's about waking up in the morning, feeling like your body is still on your side, ready for another good day. Vitamin B12 is one of those nutrients you don't think about until you're running low on it. And by the time you notice, the effects can already be impacting your daily life. B12 plays a key role in keeping your nerves healthy, producing red blood cells that carry oxygen through your body, and supporting brain function. Without enough of it, your energy levels, mental sharpness, and even your mood can take a noticeable hit. The challenge for men over 60 is that absorbing B12 becomes much harder with age. Your stomach produces less acid, and that acid is essential for releasing B12 from the food you eat. On top of that, certain common medications, like those for acid reflux, diabetes, or high blood pressure, can interfere even further with absorption. This means you could be eating a perfectly healthy diet and still end up deficient without realizing it. The signs often creep in slowly. You might feel unusually tired even after a full night's sleep. Your memory may seem fuzzier, or you struggle to find the right words. Some men experience tingling or numbness in their hands and feet because their nerves aren't getting the support they need. Over time, low B12 can chip away at your confidence and independence. I think of John, a 72-year-old retired teacher. He came to me worried that his mind was slipping. He couldn't focus while reading, and he'd get winded walking up a short flight of stairs. His doctor ran some tests, and sure enough, his B12 levels were far below normal. We started him on a plan that included B12-rich foods like eggs, lean beef, and yogurt, along with a sublingual supplement that dissolved under his tongue, so it bypassed the stomach acid issue. Within a couple of months, his energy returned, the fog lifted, and he told me he finally felt like himself again. You can get B12 from animal-based foods, like chicken, beef, fish, eggs and dairy, as well as from fortified cereals and plant-based milks. If you have absorption issues, your doctor might recommend high-dose sublingual tablets, or even periodic injections to keep your levels steady. Restoring B12 isn't just about better lab numbers, it's about what those numbers mean for your life. Clearer thinking when you're playing cards with friends. Enough stamina to take that weekend trip without feeling drained. The quiet confidence of knowing your mind and body are still sharp and reliable. For many men, getting B12 right is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to bring back motivation and mental clarity. Magnesium doesn't get as much attention as some other nutrients, but it's involved in over 300 different processes in your body. Every time your muscles contract, your heart keeps a steady rhythm, your nerves send a signal, or your body turns food into usable energy. Magnesium is at work behind the scenes. It also plays a big role in helping you relax, both physically and mentally, which is why it's so closely tied to good sleep. For men over 60, magnesium levels can quietly drop for a few reasons. Chronic stress causes your body to use up magnesium more quickly. Years of relying on processed or convenience foods, which often contain very little magnesium, can leave your diet short on this mineral. Certain medications, like diuretics or long-term antibiotics, can also reduce your stores. The result? Your body simply doesn't have enough to keep all those daily functions running smoothly. Low magnesium often shows up in ways you might not immediately connect. Muscle cramps, especially at night, are a common sign. You might feel restless in the evenings, tossing and turning, instead of falling asleep. Irritability, anxiety, or that keyed-up feeling without a clear reason can also be linked to magnesium deficiency. And because magnesium helps regulate energy production, low levels can leave you dragging during the day. I remember working with David, a 65-year-old who prided himself on staying active. He still went for daily walks and loved gardening, but he was frustrated by restless nights that left him groggy in the mornings. When we looked closer, his diet was heavy on bread, coffee, and quick meals, things that don't supply much magnesium. We made small changes, adding spinach to his omelets, swapping chips for a handful of almonds, and including beans a few times a week. He also took a modest magnesium supplement in the evenings. Within 3 weeks, his sleep improved dramatically. He woke up refreshed and had more energy for his afternoon projects. Good food sources of magnesium include leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts such as almonds and cashews, seeds like pumpkin or sunflower, legumes including lentils and black beans, and whole grains like brown rice or oats. For some men, a supplement can help fill the gap. Magnesium glycinate is often well tolerated and easy on the stomach. Restoring magnesium is about more than avoiding cramps. It's about reclaiming deep, restorative sleep. It's waking up without that heavy, tired feeling. It's feeling steady and capable whether you're working in the yard, enjoying a game of pickleball, or simply taking a long walk on a crisp morning. Magnesium helps your body perform and recover, so every day feels more like it should, energized, calm, and ready for what you want to do. Bringing these three vitamins into your daily life doesn't have to feel like a big, complicated project. In fact, the simplest approach is often the most effective. Think about starting your morning with a little sunshine. Just 15 minutes outdoors can help your body produce vitamin D while giving you a fresh start to the day. For breakfast, choose foods that work double duty, like eggs for B12 and fortified milk or plant-based milk for vitamin D. At lunch or dinner, add a serving of leafy greens, beans, or nuts to boost your magnesium. A piece of salmon once or twice a week can supply both vitamin D and B12, and a fortified cereal can be a quick, reliable backup for B12. If your doctor recommends supplements, keep them where you'll see them, next to the coffee maker or with your toothbrush, so they become part of your daily rhythm. The real power isn't in one perfect day, it's in small, steady changes that you stick with over time. Your body responds best to consistency, and each day you meet its needs. You're building strength, clarity, and energy that add up. Little by little, you'll start feeling the difference in the way you move, think, and live. Just because you've crossed into your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, doesn't mean the part of you that is strong, capable, and full of life is gone. It's still there, maybe buried under years of stress, maybe slowed by habits or deficiencies that crept in quietly, but it hasn't disappeared. Your body is more resilient than you think. Given the right tools, it can recover, rebuild, and surprise you with how much better it can feel. You've spent decades working, building, raising families, and showing up for people who needed you. Now your body is asking for some of that care in return. This isn't about trying to look like you did at 25. It's about being able to live fully at the age you are right now, feeling steady on your feet, thinking clearly, sleeping soundly, and having the energy to do the things that matter most to you. The vitamins we've talked about, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and magnesium, aren't magic bullets. They're not shortcuts or empty promises. They're nutrients your body depends on for everyday functions, the kind that affect how you feel from the moment you wake up until you close your eyes at night. When they're missing, you notice it in small but frustrating ways: slower mornings, foggy thoughts, aching muscles, restless nights. But when you restore them, those same areas begin to improve, sometimes faster than you expect. I've seen men in their 70s get back the energy to coach their grandson's baseball team. I've seen men in their 80s regain enough stability to walk without a cane. I've seen men who thought their memory loss was permanent start remembering names and details again. These changes didn't happen because of luck. They happened because these men made a choice to give their bodies what they had been missing for years. And here's what I want you to know: it's not too late for you. Even if you've been feeling run down for years, even if you've told yourself this is just aging, your body will respond when you treat it right. The first step doesn't have to be big. It could be adding one vitamin-rich food to your next meal. It could be getting outside for 15 minutes of sun. It could be talking to your doctor about a supplement. What matters is that you start. Think about what life could look like if you had more energy. Maybe it's traveling with your partner without worrying about keeping up. Maybe it's starting a hobby you've been putting off because you felt too tired. Maybe it's simply feeling like yourself again, confident, steady, and in control. Here's my challenge for you. Over the next 4 weeks, make these vitamins part of your daily routine. Keep it simple. Pair your supplements with a habit you already have, like morning coffee or brushing your teeth. Add magnesium-rich vegetables to your dinner. Choose eggs or fortified cereal for breakfast to boost B12. Find small moments for sun exposure to help your vitamin D, and then notice what changes. Maybe you start sleeping deeper. Maybe you wake up without that heavy feeling. Maybe you find yourself more patient, more focused, and more willing to say yes when life invites you to do something. Write these changes down. They will remind you that what you're doing matters, and they'll keep you motivated to keep going. I also encourage you to share your journey. Tell a friend, a brother, or a neighbor what you're trying. You might be surprised at how many men quietly struggle with the same issues and just need to hear that it's possible to turn things around. Your progress could be the reason someone else starts taking better care of themselves. Aging isn't something to fear, it's a stage of life with its own freedoms and rewards. But you deserve to move through it with strength, clarity, and dignity. Don't let low energy, brain fog, or restless nights convince you that your best days are behind you. They're not. There's more ahead, more memories to make, more laughter to share, more mornings to wake up ready for the day. So take this step for yourself. Give your body what it needs, and watch how it responds. No matter your age, you have the power to feel capable, confident, and alive again. You've carried others for years. Now let your own health carry you into this next chapter stronger than ever.